Have you ever wondered what powers your Android phone, your favorite apps, and even NASA's Mars rover? It's not magic, it's Java. Yes, the same programming language that built Netflix, Amazon, and even Minecraft. But what exactly is Java programming? Why do the biggest companies in the world still use it? And why is it one of the most powerful languages ever created? Stay with me till the end, because once you understand Java, you'll realize it's running almost everything around you. So, let's start from the very beginning. What is Java programming? Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language. It was created by James Gosling in 1995 at Sun Microsystems. The goal behind Java was simple: write once, run anywhere. That means if you write code once, it can run on any computer in the world. Sounds unbelievable, right? But that's what made Java a global revolution. Before Java, programmers had to rewrite code for every operating system. Java came in and said, no more limits. It introduced something called the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. The JVM acts like a translator between your code and any computer system. You write your program once, and the JVM makes sure it works everywhere, safely and smoothly. That's why Java is called platform independent. It doesn't care if you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux. It just works. It's like having one universal remote that controls every TV on the planet. That's the power of Java. Now let's talk about where Java is used today, because honestly, it's everywhere. Every Android app you've ever used runs on Java. Banking systems, Java, Netflix servers, Java, Amazon Backend, Java, even games like Minecraft, yes, built with Java. So whether you're watching a movie, making a payment, or ordering food online, there's a high chance Java is working behind the scenes. Okay, but how does Java actually work? Let's simplify this. When you write Java code, it's saved as a .java file. That code is then compiled into something called bytecode. This bytecode is a special version of your program that runs on the JVM. The JVM reads that bytecode and executes it on any system. That's how Java achieves its write once, run anywhere power. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about what makes Java truly special. Its features. Number one, object-oriented. Everything in Java is built as an object. Reusable, modular, and clean. Number two, platform independent. Java code runs anywhere, anytime. Number three, secure. It's trusted by banks, governments, and enterprises worldwide. Number four, robust. It can handle massive workloads without breaking. And number five, multi-threaded. That means Java can perform multiple tasks at the same time, just like your brain multitasking. All these features make Java reliable, fast, and future-proof. That's why it's been ruling for nearly 3 decades. Now you might be thinking, if Python is popular, why is Java still alive? Good question. Python is great for beginners, and AIC++ is great for high-performance software. But Java gives you both, speed and simplicity combined. That's why universities, tech companies, and startups still teach and use Java, because it's balanced, powerful, and battle-tested. Let's talk about why big companies still trust Java. Because it's secure, stable, and scalable. You can build small mobile apps or massive cloud systems, all using Java. In fact, over 9 million developers worldwide use it every single day. That's not just a number, that's a global programming community. So how can you learn Java today? It's easier than ever. Start with the basics, variables, loops, and functions. Then learn object-oriented programming, classes, objects, and inheritance. Once you're comfortable, explore frameworks like Spring Boot and Android Studio. That's where real-world Java projects come alive. Within months, you can build your own Android app, website, or even backend system. That's how powerful learning Java can be. Now, let's talk about the future. Is Java still relevant in 2025 and beyond? Absolutely. Java keeps evolving with new versions like Java 21, bringing faster, smarter performance. It's now used in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, Internet of Things, and even cybersecurity. Java isn't fading, it's transforming with the times. It's like the old king learning new tricks, wiser, stronger, and unstoppable. And here's the truth. If you learn Java, you build a foundation that makes every other language easier to learn. Java teaches logic, structure, and real-world coding discipline. That's why it's still one of the most valuable skills in tech. So if you're serious about building a career in software development, start with Java, because learning Java is like learning the grammar of the digital world. Once you know it, you can speak the language of technology fluently. Now you know what Java really is. Not just a language, but the invisible engine running the digital universe. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to Ruby Parker and comment below. I'm starting Java today. Who knows? Your first Java program could change your life. Thanks for watching, and remember, learn smart, code smarter. This is Ruby Parker, signing off.